This is how fast I can do my makeup with permanent makeup and eyelashes. One pump. I'm just stippling it onto my face and pressing it onto my skin. I like to focus on my acne area, the red areas, which is my chin. So I'm just focusing on there the most right now. So the trick is you want to tap it to where the texture and the consistency is the one you want on your skin. So this is how I want it to look on my skin. So here I am still just pressing the brush to my face. I'm using Kosas 2.5 neutral and I'm using a smaller brush to cover up my acne. Once again, you want to do the tapping motions and you want to layer on the product. It's raining today. I'm using Patrick Ta, the cream contour duo with a contour brush, and I'm just tapping it into my cheekbones because I want a higher lift and in the shadow areas. I think I'm just rambling on about my coworkers or having kids or not having kids and having cats here, so that's why I decided to do a voiceover. I took the foundation brush and kind of cleaned up around the area a little bit. Now I'm lightly tapping it just lightly under my chin and around my forehead. Now with the concealer brush, I am tapping on Kosas in the color 1, I believe it's 1 neutral. And you lightly tap it into the layer that you place the product on your hands first. This is how makeup artists do their makeup, is they layer on minimal layers first and see if they need more instead of just tacking on the product onto your face so it looks more cakey that way. And you want to pull it up so it lifts your eyes instead of pulling it down. And in the same tapping motion, I'm just tapping on the layer of concealer under my eyes. Lightly layering the concealer helps it apply smoothly and not cakey. And remember to tap in the upwards motion, and this is to lift the eyes. I'm using blank space from MAC eyeshadows and lightly dust under their eyes. I find this to be more brightening than regular setting powder. This thin one and this one to brush it out. I like to start my nose contour from my eyebrows and then you drag it to where you want to draw your tip. I like using the cream first and you just want to brush along the bridge or where you want to hide your nose. I know it looks scary right now, but you're going to brush it out after. Now I'm just putting the contour where I want the tip of my nose and how small I want it. Once again, I'm brushing to the sides and upwards. Yep, you guessed it, foot powder as my setting powder again. And I lightly put some under my eyes, on my nose, and the areas where I get the most oily skin throughout the day, which is my T-zone and above my eyebrows. Taking a small fluffy brush, and you want to tap off the access powder. Skin color. Dust it over the eyes. Taking a smaller brush, like a dense bunny foot brush, and just pressing on a warmer, darker tone color at the outer corners of my eyelids. And then you want to brush it lightly inner corner. Now I'm just taking a dense brush for the bottom lashes with the same color. Since my eyebrows are already done, I'm just filling in some of the faded areas just lightly, and I'm just brushing it out. I'm going to be wearing She's Wanted today because it's a gloomy day. You want to do the powder first. Lightly tap. Now you take a damp beauty blender for your blush, and you want to dip into the cream and then lightly tap above the blush or the powder. And this way it creates a more glowy effect. Here I'm just taking the Makeup Forever Artist Color Pencil in the color Endless Cacao. It's a cool taupe brown. I like using this color for my contour around my lips too, so you want to lightly just put it over the cupid's bow and then on the very bottom. And since I have permanent makeup on my lips, I only need to use Buxom lip liner in the color Hush Hush Henna. I just feather it in with the brush on the other end. I love this product. I have eyeliner on too. I did that years ago. I don't think it's worth it, to be honest, because I still like to draw. Oh my god, I bought the wrong one. I bought Stila brown eyeliner. It sucks. It's one of the worst product ever. It doesn't last. Favorite. And ending with the glow from Dior Backstage. And this is the end results. Love you if you made it to the end. Bye.